Bitcoin against US dollar, we can see what has happened. After the prices touched this supply zone, the prices back down, which I have mentioned in the previous week analysis that this could happen. And this has happened where the price has touched this area here and then returned back up, where we can see that the price has tried to make a breakout to the upside with this bullish candle. Just a minute. And then the price has cancelled this bullish breakout as a valid one with this bearish candle, returning back inside. But the price is currently inside this area between 38500 and this one here 34500. So the price is bouncing between these two price levels, which means the price currently is inside indecision area and needs to make a breakout to the upside or the downside to have a clear information of where it will go. For the weekly, we can see what has happened after the price has made a bullish breakout to the upside the previous week. This week has confirmed it, at least for now, as a bullish one, as a valid one, because the price did not return back inside below that. Currently the price is holding. We have 2 more days until this week ends and formed a candle to see where it will close. And we can see on the monthly time frame we have 2 more weeks until the price ends, but we can see that the price has touched this area here, which is a supply zone on the monthly time frame. So there is a possibility that the price will bounce from this area going down around this one area here, 34500, which I have mentioned just on the daily time frame, but I will also mention again when I return back down. But for now, as it looks, very important level on the monthly time frame, and that means that the price needs to stay above in order to continue to move up. If it closes below, this will mean that the price could reach lower price levels, and that is around 32500 and also this one here, which is 31500. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is currently on the confluence of resistance, a very important level, and there is a possibility that the price could stop around this one here, which is a small support and resistance confluence on the weekly time frame, and that is 35500 price level. Currently the price is confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one. I'm expecting, as it looks right now, but I will see that much more clearly on the daily time frame, that will happen as a bullish validation. And then the price could try to make a breakout to the upside, but we can see a very important level is this confluence of resistance on the weekly time frame, which we have seen also on the monthly time frame, a very important level for the price. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that very important level for the price is this one here. Just a minute. Is this one here, 35600. It is also 35500, very important level on the daily time frame. This is also very important on the weekly time frame. So the price needs to pay attention to stay above 2 more days, as you can see here, to be in the bullish mode. If the price goes down, the next one where the price could stop is 34500, very important also support level for the price. But in order to continue to move up, the price needs to make a breakout again above 37, we can see it here, 3700, and also the next one is 38500, very important resistance level. On the daily time frame, we can see this also confluence of resistance here, which will prevent the price from reaching higher price level. If we go in the past, let's see how this looks. Just a minute. Let's do this. The price is currently here, and it is very important level for the price to make a breakout to the upside. So the price is touching this area here, making a retrace back down, so there is a potential that the price could make a breakout to the upside after making a breakout above 38500. Very important level. We can see in the past the same scenario the price is currently following. So for now, very important level on the weekly time frame, that 2 more days stays above this one here, 35500, and if the price continues to move up, very important that the price needs to break is 37300, that needs to be broken to the upside, and then confirm it with the next day as a valid one. As it looks right now, currently the Bitcoin is inside indecision area here, between this resistance 38500 and 34500 as a support, and it needs to make a breakout to the upside or the downside to continue to move. But as it looks right now, we are in the bullish mode for the Bitcoin. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.